I hate squirrels. So what I was showing you is where the squirrels have bitten off the tops of my sunflowers. And I'm going to show you eventually where they've broken a couple of sunflowers. But until then, look at this sweet potato. It is going crazy. Wildflowers coming in good. My repotted sunflowers are doing real okay. Not dead. We're still trying. Wildflowers. My banana trees coming to life. My lilies. Dahlias. Lilies. Banana. Lilies. And this I figured out is corn. I've been pulling it. I've been thinking it's that, but that's a weed. But that's corn. So we're letting it grow. Stay tuned. And that's a dahlia. My sunflowers. And this is what I'm talking about, where those bleeping squirrels have broken my plants. So I'm going to tape and see if that works. And this one's trying to open. I wanted it to get a little taller. My collards doing all right. My pepper, waiting on it to give me some flowers. Lisa's not dead. Banana baby.